Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a package result of processing with 3 version 7, 4.1.4 package result access control list demonstration. Objectives: Part 1, verify local connectivity and test the access control list. Part 2, remove access control list and repeat test. Background: in this activity, you will observe how an access control list ACL can be used to prevent a ping from reaching hosts on remote networks. After removing the ACL from the configuration, the pings will be successful. Addressing table. Instructions. Part 1, verify local connectivity and test the access control list. Step 1, ping devices on the local network to verify connectivity. A, from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC2. B, from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC3. Okay, let's go to ping from PC1 to PC2. PC1 to PC2. Okay, this is PC2's IP address. It's ping. Okay, it's successful. Good. Then this is PC3. All right. So it works. Good. Let's try again. Good. Good. Send 4, received 4, and 0% loss. Good. So explain why were the pings successful. So from PC1 to PC2, because both of these PC1 and PC2 both connected with ACE1. So they are in the same broadcast domain. Broadcast domain is a layer 2 domain. So PC1 and PC2, they learn each other through the MAC address table in ACE1. So they always can learn each other and ping each other. PC1 and PC3, they're in 2 different subnet network. But both of these 2 networks directly connected to R1. So they can ping each other. All right, so step 2, ping the devices on remote networks to test the ACL functionality. Okay, from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC2. From the command prompt of PC1, ping DNS server. All right, so let's ping PC4. This is PC4 12, okay. Okay, here is the destination host unreachable. Sent 4, received 0, lost 4, 100% loss. Okay, let's ping the DNS server 31.12. Okay, this ping is still destination host unreachable. Okay, sent 4, received 0, lost 4, 100% loss. All right, so here's why did the pings fail? Paint to use simulation mode or view the router configurations to investigate. Okay, first we do the simulation mode. All right, so here's the show all, or here show all or show none. Now it's show all. All the protocols are here, so we need to choose show none. Show all, show none. Okay, show none. And we choose only ICMP protocol to use is because here we are doing is only ping. Ping is using ICMP. All right, so we got close to this panel. Okay, we start to keying PC4. All right, this PC4's address. Okay, here. Let's look at here. Click here. Okay, the package was sent out from PC1 to S1 and S1 to R1. So R1, this is ICMP from S1. Okay, so this package is refused by R1. Okay, let's send out, send PC1, R1 sent back to S1. All right. All right, the package was sent back from S1 to PC1. So here it shows destination host unreachable. So this address is from here, destination. Okay, let's go again. This first time to send back to PC1. Okay, so send again, PC1 to S1, S1 to R1. R1 refused. Okay, and R1 sent back to S1. S1 sent back to PC1. PC1 is where the package comes from. So second time, unreachable. All right, third time, PC1 to S1, S1 to R1. R1 refused, and R1 sent back to S1. S1 sent back to PC1. Third time, unreachable. Destination host unreachable. Okay, fourth time, last time. Send again, PC1 to S1, S1 to R1. R1 refused, and send back to S1, and S1 to send to PC1. Okay, so it's send 4 times, received 0, lost 4, 100% loss. So that from this simulation show, we can see there's something happen on R1 because PC1 sent package to R1 was refused by R1. So something happened. Let's check. So view the router configurations to investigate. So let's check the R1 to see if we can figure out the reason. Okay, so let me see first, enable to see the routing table, show IP route. All right, so you can see to see. Okay, PC4 and the DNA server, they are in these two network. Okay, 30.0, 31.0. And yeah, these two networks are shown in the R1's routing table. So that so R1 learned these two networks through OSPF, the dynamic routing protocol OSPF. Here's O, means OSPF. So this configuration is correct. So the problem is not here, but let's go further to see if we can find. So show run to see the configuration. Okay, let's see. Okay, we see there's an ACL is configured on R1. So it's access list 11 denied. So this ACL deny 192.168.10.0. So this network. So deny the packets from this network. All right. So and also we see on this interface serial 000. Okay, is this one. This interface is S000. Okay, the IP access group 11 out. So this ACL is applied to the interface serial 000 as an outgoing filter. That means the package coming from this network 192.168.10.0 was blocked by R1. The package was not allowed to exit the interface S000. That's why when we ping from PC1 to PC4, the package cannot go out of the interface S000. That's why, that's a reason. Okay, and also we can explain why PC1 can be PC3 too, because this ACL is only applied to the interfaces S000 here, so it doesn't affect the traffic between PC1 and the PC3. Okay, so we go to next part. Part 2, remove the ACL and repeat the test. Step 1, use show commands to investigate the ACL configuration. Navigate to R1 CLI, use the show run and show access lists commands to view the currently configured ACLs. To quickly view the current ACLs, use show access lists. Enter the show access lists command followed by a space and a question mark to view the available options. Show access lists question mark. Okay, here. So show access list space question mark. Okay, the options come out. So this number 12199 is for the ACL number. Word is for the ACL name. The pipe sign is pipe sign for the output modifiers. Okay, so if you know the ACL number or name, you can filter the show output further. However, R1 only has one ACL. Therefore, the show access list command is suffice. R1 show access. Okay, show access lists. Let's go. So here's the standard IP access list 11. So this ACL is a number, the standard access list. You can deny this the package from this network, and 20 permit any. Okay, it's the same as this part. All right, so the first line, so here the first line of the ACL blocks any package that originates in the 192.168.10.0/24 network, is this network. All right, and which includes Internet Control Message Protocol ICMP echoes ping requests. The second line of the ACL allows all other IP traffic from any source to traverse the router. If from an ACL to impact the router operation, it must be applied to an interface in the specific direction. In this scenario, the ACL is used to filter traffic exiting an interface. Therefore, all traffic leaving the specified interface of R1 will be inspected against the ACL 11. Although you can view IP information with the show IP interface command, it may be more efficient in some situations to simply use the show run command to obtain a complete list of interfaces that the ACL that may be applied to, and the list of all ACLs that are configured. Use the following command: show run pipe including interface access. Okay. All right. Here I'm going to show you two similar but different commands to see the difference. Show, here's a show run space pipe space include interface. Okay, space pipe space access. All right, so you will see the output is here. Let's do the second one. Show it's similar one, but it's a little bit different. Space pipe space include interface, no space this time. Pipe, no space, access. All right. So you will see the difference. The with space here, and the output is all the interface. Okay, VLAN 1, okay, interface. And without space between them, okay, here's the interface. Okay, until here, VLAN 1, the top part is the same as the first output. Okay, but here, the bottom two lines are different. Here's the ACL. So that's the difference. So look at here. The second pipe symbol pipe creates an OR condition that matches interface OR axis. It is important that no spaces are included in the OR condition. Use one or both of these comments to find information about the ACL. Okay, so this is OR condition. The without the space is OR condition. Interface OR axis. All right, so to which interface and in what direction is the ACL applied? So for interface, is the interface 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, the direction is out. Okay. So next step. Step 2, remove access list 11 from the configuration. You can remove ACLs from the configuration by issuing the no access list number of the ACL command. The no access list command, when used without arguments, deletes all ACLs configured on the router. The no access list number of the ACL command removes only a specific ACL. Removing an ACL from a router does not remove the ACL from the interface. The command that applies the ACL to the interface must be removed separately. Under the 000 interface, remove access list 11, which was previously applied to the interface as an outgoing filter. So here, let's go to first remove the ACL from the interface where it applied to. So configure terminal interface S000. All right, so no IP access group 11 out. Okay. So here we remove the ACL from the interface. And next, in global configuration mode, remove the ACL by entering the following command. So next, we need to remove ACL from the router in the global configuration mode. So we need to exit to the interface mode, and we enter the global configuration mode. So no access list 11. Okay. All right. So remember, when we remove ACL from the configuration, there are two steps. First is remove ACL from the interface where it applied to. Second, remove ACL from the router in the global configuration mode. Okay, that's all. All right, next we need to verify the PC1 can now ping the DNA server and the PC4. Let's go to real time. And let's ping again. Ping. Ping, this is the address of PC4. Let's go to ping. All right, So this time it works now. It works now. Good, good. Let's try again. Right. Good. PC4 successful. Here is send 4 times receive 4 times lost 0. Right. Let's ping the DNS server. DNS server. Okay. Let's see. It's convergent. Okay. So let's try again. All right. So yeah, it's successful. Sent 4 times, received 4 times, lost 0. Good. So we're done for this package research and access control list demonstration. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video and think it's helpful for you, please thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. See you next time.